subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has launched its new smartphone under GT lineup globally called Realme GT Neo 3T with a stylish rear panel design. Talking about the specifications, the Realme GT Neo 3T features a 6.62-inch Full HD Plus E4 AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it is HDR10+ certified. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset, paired with Adreno 650 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Realme GT Neo 3T supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 64MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide-angle lens with 190° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and it supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.45 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 80W super dart charging, and it runs on Android 12 based on Realme UI 3.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with VC liquid cooling system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions, and it also includes Dolby Atmos plus high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.9 by 75.8 by 8.65mm, and it weighs around 194.5 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme GT Neo 3T has been priced for the base variant at $470, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at $510. The smartphone is now available for purchase in dash yellow, drifting white, and shade black color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme GT Neo 3T smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.